Hello, here is a demonstration of OtoSense IATIS in action. On the left side of the screen, a webcam in a city with a microphone. This microphone is used as an input to IATIS. Then on the right side, you have a real-time visualization of what you can get from IATIS API. All the devices, and you can have up to 1,000 devices per account. Then all the categories that are monitored in this specific environment. You can, of course, link any category to any action you want to trigger. Then you have all your devices on a map with their location and their current status. And then the activity log, which is what is stored to be piled up and then used for statistics. You can see that, of course, the tag is updated every second on the map. Okay, let's go on the top again and just check out what's happening. Okay, a car alarm. Okay, recognition, less than 5 seconds is our objective. I will add artificially a police siren right now. Okay, this to check that it's easily identified as well. I leave you a few seconds more just watching the cam and what OtoSense identifies. So using IATIS, a single microphone or a network of microphones, you can get precious information and insight about what's happening in the street. Merging that with some computer vision, and you have an extremely powerful system. Thank you.